Hello all and welcome to Crochet Designs. My name is Mary, coming to you with Subscriber of the Year 2024. It is New Year's Eve on 2024 and we have maybe 4 or 5 hours left before it hits 2025. So I need to get this video out today. Now, what is this video all about? Now, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe now, this time next year, you could be in the running for Subscriber of the Year. Now, Subscriber of the Year this year has 4 people. I'm going to pop them in a hat and I'm only picking one. Because at the end of the day, it is called Subscriber of the Year. And I'm not picking, I'm going to let the hat do the hard work. But if you wanted to know how long I've been doing this, I did my homework before this video. And I started in 2019. Suzanne, 2020, Liz, 2021, Karen, 2022, Jody, and 2023 green. Now I'm looking at these, green butterfly by the way. So first one was from the US, second one was from Melbourne, Australia, third one was from Melbourne, Australia, the fourth one was from Ireland, and the fifth one was from Queensland, Australia. So it goes to show I will ship anywhere around the world. And I'm going to have a quick look. I'm going to show you. I'm not going to show you because I don't want you to know, but I'm going to tell you that today's candidates, there's 4 of them. 2 of them are from Brisbane. One of them is from Canada and one of them is from the UK. So it goes to show that no matter which one of these ladies win, I will ship anywhere around the world. Now, what did these lovely people do to become a part of Subscriber of the Year? They have been involved in our channel throughout the whole year. Different areas of it, some of them more than others, and even some of them outside the channel as well. And we'll talk about that later. But firstly, what I want to do is give you a quick snippet of all our tutorials that we created this year. Would take no longer than a minute or so, maybe 2. But here we go. Let's check them out. How about that, guys? That is a lot of gear that we've been creating throughout the year. And as you saw with the very final picture there, we have not finished our annual project, which I was hoping to have finished by today. Mind you, we only have one more part left, and that is doing the border rounds of our jacket. I uploaded the sleeves to our annual project, the Sunflower Delight jacket, yesterday, only yesterday. So the rest of the jacket will be complete some stage next week. We could talk about that on one of our lives. I'm not going to discuss that. That's a whole different story in itself. Right now, we want to talk about Subscriber of the Year. But Before we do that, let's check out the prizes that Subscriber of the Year will win. Now, if you didn't know this, over the past 7, 8, 9 lives, I can't remember how many we've done, we've been popping items in bags. And you, as a subscriber, during our lives, has been seeing us do that and watch what items we've popped in the bags. Now, what I'm going to do is give you a top-down view of all those items that you saw popping in the bag plus. All right, so let's go and check out those items now. Ta-da! Guys, I can't fit it all in. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through everything one by one. We have the gorgeous pouch made by Sam of the Littlest Stitch. I've left Sam's details, or the Littlest Stitch details, in a description box down below to her Instagram account. You can check them out and see some of her other bags that she has created. Here is this little pouch, guys. I use this. I have one, I think the colour of mine is brown. I can't remember, but I think it's brown, and I don't go anywhere without it because it keeps every one of my sized hooks that I need. So if I'm at a yarn store and I want to try a different yarn, I will have the hook size with me. That's a little trivia there about me. Also, we have this little kit that came free in a magazine to me, so free to you. Crochet hook and a pair of needles, not sure the size, but you know, you can work it out when you get it. Here we have our measuring tape, free to you. Everyone who enters our surprises gets my love heart, my magneted love heart that they can pop on their fridge. And by the way, there's the photo of it, nice and close. Magnet love heart, if you will. And you can create your own as well. But everyone here gets one for free when we do surprises. We also have this gorgeous hometown yarn. There's 3 skeins, a chunky yarn, great for the winter, cooler months, as well as Karen Cakes, 3 skeins of that. We made our V-stitch blanket with that, and whilst we're having a little chat, I'm going to say outright that we will be doing a remake. Get excited, of the V-stitch blanket, and whoever wins this surprise today can use these Karen Cakes to create their own blanket. So get excited. Yes, we're doing a remake of our V-stitch blanket. I have introduced it now, haven't I? And here we have our clover hooks. They are 4.5 or 4mm hook. Yes, there's 2. And right here we have my kit. Now this kit, if you go on my website, you will know that it's not cheap. You get the yarn, the hook, the scissors, the sewing needle. You also get the pattern, everything. It's a whole pack and you get it for free. And this is what it looks like on. Simply divine. There's 2 different ways of wearing it. There's one, and here is another one. So you can wear your scarf however you want, and you can create it yourself with the written pattern. It is not a pattern on our channel, so you are lucky enough to get that pattern for free, as well as the kit. Now we have our Abbey Road. Abbey Road, we have 7 skeins today. Some may be different dye lots, so keep that in mind, but we do have 7 skeins of Abbey Road. Very exciting. And right beneath there we have the Clequeton yarn, 3 skeins of Clequeton yarn. Now these are 50 grams each. This is the yarn I used a lot before using Bendigo Woolen Mills. I still use this a lot when creating fingerless gloves or mittens and so on. So there you go, smaller projects here. And here we have Hobby, yay, 4 skeins. Let's try that again. You can't count, guys. 6 skeins of your Hobby 8-ply DK weight 3-weight yarn. By the way, this is a 3-weight yarn. This is a chunky. And as you know, this is a 4-weight yarn as well, or a 10-ply here in Australia. Behind this, we have round handles. Yay, get excited. And we also have these handles here. Now, we use these handles in the green. There it is right there. We created Beetle's bag during our Halloween special this year, and it was simply divine. I love this bag, so sturdy and strong. And you get the red handles instead of the green. Yeah, and there's your 6 skeins. And this is another one of my kits. Now, this kit is this beanie right here. Simply divine. And in this kit you get the hook, the scissors, sewing needle, pattern, everything. So that's another pattern that you will not see on our channel here at Wow Crochet Designs. It is only on my website. Okay, by the way, guys, if you wanted these kits here, I also have the pattern only on our website. So if you wanted to use your own yarn, you can. Make sure it marries the yarn that is in the pack. All right. Over here we have a magazine full kit. I don't usually give away my kits. I usually break them up and, give you a couple of hooks and things from it, but there you go, you're getting a full magazine kit. This is brand new. I bought that only a week and a half or 2 weeks ago, so keep that in mind. Here, I believe this might be the Christmas before, I can't remember, but you're getting a Christmas magazine, and this little magazine that's got a snuggly blanket. Look at that. Look at the different ones that you can make, so very exciting. In front we have buttons. 3 sets of buttons. Each one can be used to make a cardigan or a jacket of some sort. And that's all we have so far. I tell a lie, we have something else. We have that guy right here. Australia's famous Tim Tam biscuits. Don't you love it? Well, I do. Anyway, my personal trainer says I'm not allowed to love it, but there you go. And also, yes, for the one last thing you get with this kit, I'm trying to fit it all in. I don't think I can. You get this, 1 year free written patterns from my website. Anything that's a paid pattern on the website, you get every pattern that goes up for the whole year free. Very, very exciting. And there you have it, guys. What a prize. What a prize. My eyes are like this because I get so super excited. My eyes pop out when I get excited. So let's just move right along. This is name number 1, and I'm popping name number 1 in the hat. And here is name number 2. There's no actual numbers. It's just, I just cut them and put them on the paper there. Name number 3 and name number 4. All right, so we have all 4 ladies placed in the hat. Maybe one day one of our gentlemen might go in the hat. But right now, it's the ladies on our channel. Now, each one of these ladies have done so much for us here at Wow Crochet Designs. And actually, they've done things in their own ways. Whether that has been making our patterns, whether it's been sharing those videos on Facebook, whether they've been liking, posting on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Make sure, guys, that you are commenting here on the channel. I love to see your comments. I sometimes don't get time to respond. Every now and then I'll just pop a thumbs up, and it's only because I'm completely and utterly busy. But I love to see your comments here on the channel. Now, each one of these ladies have commented on the channel. They've done so much. I mean, look, we can go through all of it later, but you know what? Let's leave it and just go through the one who wins. Yeah? 3, 2, and 1. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Tell me who it is, guys. Tell me who it is. Who is it? It's Ashley Barnett. I've just written that in really bad green handwriting, but it's Ashley Barnett. Ashley, congratulations, honey. You are the subscriber of the year for 2024 for Wow Crochet Designs. Ah! She's screaming, guys. I'm the one screaming. She's probably there thinking, did she just call my name? Ashley, you are our winner this year. I thank you very much for everything you've done for us this year, from super chats, donations over on our website at www.wowcrochetdesigns.com, and also Instagram and Facebook, and all the posts you leave here on the channel as well, private messages, making our projects. Make those projects, guys, and share the videos, because share the love. That's what I say. Share the love. And don't forget, guys, everything you also do for us here on the channel at Wow Crochet Designs matters as well. So if you would like to win Subscriber of the Year next year, continue, guys, to be a part of our channel in as many ways as you can. As many ways as you can. I'm not fussy. We're not fussy. That's all I want to say. Thank you very much for joining us here at Wow Crochet Designs. A very special thank you to the lovely Ashley. Congratulations again. I will see everyone in the new year. Happy New Year. My name is Mary. This is Wow Crochet Designs. And ciao for now. Try to be good. Yay! You don't have to be good today. Bye all.